The hiker stranded at the top of snow-covered Mount Baldy is hoisted to safety by a helicopter rescue team, and the dramatic scene is captured on video.
KTLA's Steve Cooge is live in Corona with the dramatic video of the rescue and more on the victim who's lucky to be alive. Steve.
Dramatic indeed. Good evening, everyone. The path that this woman was on, several people have died on before. As a matter of fact, a few deaths were attributed to the same trail just last year. Now, the death toll would have gone even higher if not for the incredibly brave actions of an elite team of officers from the San Bernardino Sheriff's Department and the Fire Department. A treacherous path, more than 9,000 feet above sea level. Icy cold conditions. Welcome to the Devil's Backbone, one of the last places on Earth you ever want to find yourself in trouble.
9,200 feet with sheer drop-offs on both sides. It's by no means for the faint of heart, for the rescuers or for the victims themselves.
But if you do end up in a life-or-death situation, the San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department Aviation Division and the Fire Department are the guys you want coming to the rescue. A 34-year-old Irvine woman and her brother were hiking very high up on the infamous Mount Baldy Devil's Backbone Trail. It only took one wrong step and the woman slipped. The incredibly steep mountainside pulled her tumbling down, down, down. Her heart racing as she fell further and faster. The woman grabbed her ice axe and plunged it into the snow, putting the brakes on her fall. The hiker's brother quickly called 911. The San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department helicopter got the call and flew in to help.
The victim was on a sheer slope with hundreds of feet fallout. If you can imagine, the victim is actually out of the view of the pilot. So the crew chief is directing the pilot, who's having to combat these significant winds, all while trying to dangle and insert a rescuer onto a precise spot.
Hey, give me a bear hug, okay? Let your ice axe go.
Lift up, you're going to hug me as tight as you can. Okay.
The sheriff's aviation team hoisted them both up and out of danger. A little while later, the woman and her rescuers were safely back on the ground.
Fortunately, she was uninjured. She was a little cold from exposure to the elements, but she was able to be treated and released by medical personnel on the ground.
The San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department's Aviation Division and the Fire Department say they've rescued dozens of people on this same trail last year, and they expect to rescue dozens more this year. Again, they tell me it's a path that only experts should attempt. Mike Ashera, I'll throw it back to you guys.
Wow, incredible video, incredible rescue, Steve.